Alex knew why saving felt hard now. Waiting, patience, giving up something today for something later. But knowing why didn't stop the feeling. The jar was still there. The temptations were still loud. My friends were still buying things. And the question kept returning. How do you make saving easier when the brain hates waiting? Most people think saving fails because they don't try hard enough, that they need more discipline, more willpower. But willpower gets tired. And tired brains make fast, rash decisions. The brain doesn't need stronger willpower. It needs better systems to help it. Every time Alex sees something he wants, his brain has to decide again. Spend or save. Resisting that once, it's fine. Resisting it every day, and the brain gets exhausted. That's when waiting loses.
It feels like I'm arguing with myself all the time.
That's a signal something needs to change. The first system is simple, but powerful. It's called the 24-hour rule. When Alex wants something that isn't planned, he waits one day. No deciding, no debating. Just waiting to see if he really wanted it or was tempted because everyone wanted it. Strong emotions fade quickly. What feels urgent today often feels smaller tomorrow. Waiting gives the brain time to calm down. Most must-have purchases don't survive the night. This isn't saying no. It's saying not yet. A collectible after school. A snack because everyone else is buying one. A must-have that feels urgent. Until tomorrow. Waiting doesn't remove choice. It removes pressure on yourself. The second system changes how money feels. Saving feels hard when every dollar fights every other dollar. So Alex separates it. 3 buckets. Save, spend, give. Each bucket has a purpose. Saving is for future Alex. Spending is for enjoying life now. And giving reminds Alex that money isn't only about him. Spending isn't bad. It's not a mistake or problem. The problem isn't spending. It's spending without thinking. When money has jobs, there's no guilt, no arguing, no regret later. Alex isn't choosing between being good or bad with money. He's choosing how to use it, on purpose.
So I don't have to choose every time?
The choice was already made. Most people save what's left over, which usually means nothing. Alex flips it. Saving happens first, even if it's small. This turns saving into a habit, not a hope. These systems don't take control away from kids. They teach it. When money has structure, kids don't feel overwhelmed. They feel capable. They learn how to pause, how to choose, and how to decide on purpose. That builds confidence, because confidence comes from practice, not perfection. These systems create discipline without pressure or force, boundaries without shame, and freedom without chaos. Spending money isn't the enemy. Spending without thinking is. When kids learn that spending is allowed and saving is protected, they don't fear money. They learn to handle it. Saving feels slow when progress is invisible. So Alex tracks it. A jar filling up. A bank balance growing larger. A goal getting closer. Seeing progress makes waiting bearable and exciting. Saving doesn't become easier because Alex grows stronger. It becomes easier because the system does the hard work. Strong systems beat strong emotions. Money skills aren't something people are born with, they're learned. Some people learn them early, some learn them later, and many are still learning. What matters is that Alex is learning now. These systems give him practice. Practice waiting, practice choosing, practice thinking ahead. Over time, that practice builds confidence, not just with money, but with all decisions. This isn't about being perfect today. It's about giving future Alex a strong starting point. And that foundation, built slowly, calmly, and without pressure, can support him for life. With these systems in place, saving no longer feels like a constant battle. It feels manageable, predictable. Alex isn't relying on willpower anymore. He's building new habits that grow stronger over time. And that matters, because life doesn't get simpler as you grow. Choices multiply. Distractions get louder. These early systems give Alex something steady to lean on later. But one challenge still waits ahead. What happens when money decisions aren't about logic, but about feelings? When spending isn't about wanting something, but about changing how you feel? That's the next layer Alex will learn. And that's where the story goes next.